As you guys can see, that's my black nail art. And I have my 100% pure acetone from Sally's and my cleanup brush that I got from Amazon. And I have a white gel polish background. I use gel polish because once the acetone hits it, it will not disintegrate. So the first thing that I did was I made different lines. They don't have to be perfect on the white background just to set a stage for my marble. And then I go in with 100% acetone and I dab the lines, as you can see now, so that I have that gray shadowy look in the back. And so that's what I just showed you. So next I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw lines. Now these lines are going to be the permanent lines that you want to make your marble look realistic. And so after I make these lines, I'm going to go in with my acetone again and I'm going to make these lines a shadow. They're going to be a shadow for the lines that I'm going to draw in after this that are going to be my permanent lines, which is really going to draw the marble together and make it look like the marbles you see on everybody's nails. So once again, I'm drawing those lines, and these are the permanent lines. And so I'm going to go in with my acetone and I'm going to thin those lines just a little bit, not too much. I still want you guys to see the defined lines and how dark they are. I just want them to be a little bit thinner. Don't want them to be too thick. And so this is the final look. Now I'm moving on to a Sharpie marble, which is really popular. Once again, on the back of a gel polish base. And you take whatever color Sharpies you want and you make the squiggly lines like I'm doing now. And you want to do them in different sections so that the colors, you don't have just one blob of pink and one blob of purple, but you want them to be separate. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take that acetone and you're going to dab them. You want to make sure you do the same colors at one time so that they don't mix and you don't get browns and blacks, but you keep those colors vibrant. And so then you're going to see me at the end go through and just add that acetone to get it how I want to look and blend those colors. And it's going to be very, very vibrant, and you're going to love this marble every time. You can't go wrong with it. So next I am doing a marble with a gel polish. Now, yes, the white is a gel base, but I'm going to go in with this blue, which is a gel polish also, and I'm going to kind of do a two-part marble. Now, what I'm doing now is spreading the gel polish. Yes, you can spread gel polish. It works. So I'm spreading it how I want it to be to get that perfect look that it kind of looks like a marble in the background. And I'm going to put it in my UV LED light for 30 seconds to cure. So next I'm going to go in with my nail art brush and I'm going to do just a line right underneath that first section of blue, and I'm gonna make that line a marbled line. Now you can do this any way you want to. You don't have to stick to the method that I did. If you want to go in like the first marble I did and do it that way on this one, you absolutely can. You don't have to stick to the method that I choose. This is just an easy way for beginners to do their marble. And it come out looking very realistic. And I personally feel like this marble is my all-time favorite marble now. I just learned how to do it probably last weekend. So this is one of my faves. You can't go wrong with marble anytime. Like, marble is just gonna be a forever design to me. And I specialize in marble, so this is going to be your final look. I love it. Now, the last one, I'm showing you guys my Young Nails monomer liquid. And I have 3 different colored acrylics, which is pink, yellow, and white. And that was my Kolinsky Alpha brush in a number 9 in oval. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that monomer and dip it in the pink, yellow, and the white, and I'm going to just marble those colors together. And so you don't want to do this too thin because you're going to have to put a clear coat at the end just to keep it together when you file, so that you're not filing away the color, you're just filing that clear coat. So as you can see, I did yellow and white. Secondly, and I just didn't like how the white didn't show. It just looked like plain yellow, so I went ahead and added some pink. And then from here on out, for the rest of this marble, you're just going to see me use yellow and pink because I just love the combination of those colors. They're really, really beautiful together. It's kind of like a sunset marble, but I love the acrylic marbles. You can do it with any color. And it's gonna come out beautiful each time. So I'm just making my marble how I want it to be. And all you have to do is just take your time and you'll find your rhythm in doing marble. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Young Nails Clear Speed Nail Powder. And it looks white, but trust me, it's clear. And I'm gonna do that with a thin layer over the top of this marble. And this is going to go for when I file. Like I said, once again, I don't want to file that acrylic off. I want to be able to file that clear so that you'll still be able to see the marble perfectly. And so this is the final look. And lastly, I am doing a marble with all gel polish. Now, my base was like this caramely looking color. You don't have to have a white base. It can be any color. And so I took all different types of gel polishes and put them on the top, and I took a dotting tool. This is what this tool is called, is a dotting tool, and I spread them around. Just have fun with it when you're spreading these, and you can add as much color, as less color as you want, however you want to do it till you get that perfect marble look. And then after that, you're going to put it in the UV light for 30 to 60 seconds. It is going to be pretty thick, but at the end, what you're going to do is you're going to go through and you're going to put a top coat on. You want to make sure all the ones with your nail art are dry, because if not, it's going to bubble up, and you don't want bubbled up nail art. So with the top coat, you're going to go through and you're going to brush it on all of them, and you're going to put them in the UV light for 60 seconds. And when they come out, you will see the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of marbling, and I will see you guys in the next one.